Hello everyone, welcome to my course. In this video I'm going to talk about software and tool I use for Aliexpress affiliate. First one is Camtasia Studio. It's a video editing software I use to make video about affiliated product. So you can download this software from here. Just type in Google Camtasia Studio, then you will find this website techismith.com and click this. This is actually not a free software. You have to buy it or use free trial. If you don't have money to buy this software, then I am providing you this software if you buy my course. So just join my Facebook group, facebook.com/group/Aliexpress affiliate, and you will find this software here. I will upload this software only for you, so you can use it and create your free video. This is actually very good software for creating video. And the next software or tool I will use is Canva. It's basically canva.com. It's a free graphics design tools, online tools. You can here you can sign up or login. I already have account, so I click login. Here you can basically design everything: animated social media, presentation, poster, YouTube thumbnail. I basically use here to design thumbnail, poster, YouTube channel art, logo, social media, LinkedIn banner. Almost you can design everything. So you can design many things. Here is some design about mine. Here you can see I'll design Facebook cover, logos, YouTube channel art, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook post. So join my group and get this software. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.